Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play online quick match in eFootball 2024. So you can search nearby area and play against users online. But before we start, I made this video is for beginner, new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event and how you can complete the objectives or missions so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started by tap this one, the second one, dream team match. Tap it and search this online quick match, play against user online. Tap. So you can play with a nearby. Tap it or gradually increase search area here, or search nearby area only. Try search nearby only if there are some player nearby in your area, or if you want to make a quick match, just tap gradually increase search area so it will be wider area, and you can prepare in the gameplay. And if you are ready, just to the match, and this game will search for an opponent. You have to wait and you have to be patient because a in some hour or in peak hour there are some player who playing this game also. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.